Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show you how you can download, install, and configure your EVNG emulated virtual environment next generation. So to download it is very simple. You have to open your Firefox or Microsoft Edge. It depends to you, a browser. So I opened the Firefox. So from here, I write download EVNG. So it is here. So I click on it, and then the page is open. So I have to click on the downloads here, and then from here, I have to click on the free EV community edition. I click on it, and then I have to scroll until I see the free EV community edition. So I have to use this one, the EVNG CE full ISO. So I have to install with the ISO. But you have to see this one here. We have a warning. Here, this one is end of support and end of life on June 2026. So that's mean the EV community, the free one is not anymore supported by the EV community, so it is outdated. So something when it is outdated is not safe to use. So, but for our experiment here, so we have to use it now. And for you also right now, because it's a new one, so you have to use it. It's not a problem. But after for a few months, it's not safe to use it. So it's better after if they publish another edition or another version. So you will use it for your work. But now you use it. So you click for the uh, EVNGCE full ISO, the first one. You click on it. And after they open you the download page. So in order to download it, you click only the download and the download session will start. But now I will not do it because I already did it. So I show you only how you can do it. So let's go for the installation now because I already downloaded it. So I have to reduce this one. I have to reduce it. So now from here, what I have to do from here now, I have to open because you see, if I come file, uh, uh, on my file explorer here, the file explorer. So I go for the download section. You can see the ISO, the full ISO here that I downloaded here before. So I will not do it again. So what I have to do now, uh, now what I have to do, I have to start the installation. So I have to open my VMware Workstation Pro. So I double click on it to open it. It is open now. And from here, what I have to do, from here now, uh, I have to create a new virtual machine. So create a new virtual machine. So I go for next. I let the typical, that is the recommended one. Next, and from here, what I have to do, from here, I have to browse and go for the ISO that I already downloaded. So I open it. So directly it's load the full ISO. So after I have to go for next, and here I have to name my virtual machine. I use EV and G, but it depends you. You can use whatever you want. So here you can let also the location as default, but here I will not do it because on my OneDrive there is not too many spaces, and the installation this one is not easy because it takes too much space. So it's better I browse and try to locate my installation uh, on my PC. So on my C, I have to right click and try to create a new folder. New folder. I will name it as firewall. And then from here, I have to select it, the firewall, and click OK. So the installation will be on this location. So, here I have to go for next. And after I have to, the disk size I have to give 18 is enough. So, and here I have to select the first option, but it depends to you also. You can take the second, it's not a problem. And I go for next, and I have to customize the hardware. I click on customize, and here now the memory. I will give like 16 gigabyte in order the installation will be faster. So the processor I will give 2 and here now uh, for the new CD DVD I will not do nothing because the ISO image file is already here. We did it before. So for the network adapter, I let it in not adapter, but you can also take bridge. There is not too many differences. And the other options, the last four, you can let it default. There is no problem for that, and you can close and after go for finish. And now the machine is loading. The machine is loading. So we should only wait a little bit because the installation should take a little while. So, and after here, we have to go for enter. We hit enter for the install, enter, and the installation is starting the loading. So here you have to be patient because it should take a little while. So, but after the installation is starting, I will pause for a while. I will pause for a while and stop the recording because I don't want the video will be long. So that's why I should stop later. Okay, here we have to select the language in which one we want to install it, but I will let the English one the default. So I go only for Inter, and after I go for Inter also to done it. So after I have to go down to use the arrow down to scroll and go for continue. And now the installation is uh, is doing its job. So you are seeing here the where the right installing system they are installing now. So Now from here we have to reboot. So we have to reboot it. So you go for reboot and enter. Now it's rebooting. Okay. Now from here, what we have to do, EVNG login. We have to use for the login root, enter is roots, tap enter is the login, the password is EV, login incorrect. So EVNG login, it is loading. Okay, it's good. So in this stage, you don't have to do nothing. So you let the machine doing the work. So this running process, it depends. how faster is your machine, about your RAM, and about also um, your network, how good your network is. So it depends to many factors. So now here, what we have to do. So they told us like the EVNG is already here. So the default is root. That's mean the login, and the password is EV. So for the login, you should enter root and hit enter, and the password you should use EV. EV. Mm, EV. You should use. Where is the apostrophe? I think you should use the apostrophe, or you don't need the apostrophe. EV. No, roots. Okay. EV. Okay, it's good. Login incorrect. So what we need, I think we need this one. Okay, it's loading. Now the page will open normally. Okay, now the page is open. We are seeing the page is open here. Now it's open. So login is roots EV. Okay. Now we are in the installation. So from here, what they ask us like a root password, type the root password. So if you want, you can type something here like a root password as a root user, but here we have to go with OK. So we let in default, we don't have to do nothing here. So OK. So I click on OK, enter, and here also they ask us for a host name. For host name also we go for inter default. So DNS domain name also for default. Don't have to set nothing to setting up nothing. So for also DHCP we use for the static IP address we use for DHCP. We don't use static IP. So that means at any time we want login or out, so they will provide us a IP address. So I go for inter. So NTP server, we don't need it. I go inter, and here also I hit for proxy server inter. So inter, and now we are in our emulated virtual environment. Okay, now we are here. So they provide us an IP address, so we can use this IP address uh, to connect ourselves. At any time we want to connect in our page, so the page where we can create our labs, we should use this IP address. So the IP is 192.168.56.130. So is what we should use in order to connect in our page where we can create our labs and make simulations in our networks before implementing it in the real environment. So that is very important to know. So now root, root EV. Okay, now we are in. So we are connecting to our EVNG, you see. Here we have the root at EVNG. So the IP address to connect to the page is 192.168.56.130. So I have to connect now from the page to show you how it's look like. So now from here I have to always, if you want to connect to the page, you should let the machine here open it like that. So I should go to my browser. So I use Firefox, and from here I have to open a new tab. So I have to type my IP 192. Okay, 192.168 dot 18 dot 56 dot 56.130. I think I should watch it. Dot 130. Yeah, dot 130. That is my IP. So I have to hit enter from here. Enter. So from enter, they directly they show us the page, the emulated virtual environment page. So for here we have to use a username and password. The username is admin and the password is uh, EV. So how to know it? You can also sign without uh, replacing nothing. So you sign in and you see the red line here. They show us like the password and default login. Password is admin and username is admin and the password is EV. So we have to use admin to log in and the password we should use as EV. And from here we can sign in now, sign in, and our page is already here. So from here we can add a new lab. If you want a new lab, we can say something like this. A new lab, we can say Jogo. And also like the description, I can write my first lab. So the task, I can say network, network, and here the author, I do not do nothing about it. So and here also is a config script timeout. I don't need it, so I have to save it. And when I save it directly, they open me a page here. So is where I can create my topology and add some machines. And here we can like change the light modes. We can change it to many colors. Like we have the white and the blue one here. So I can use the white one if I want, or I let it in this mode, the dark mode. So from here now, we can create everything we want. We can use our simulated environment before implemented it in the real one. So here, like for example, I can add an object. So nodes, and here there are many templates. So but is blown because like for those templates also in order to open it you should like install some files in order to view it. But from here like now we have only the virtual PC that is available. So you can add your Fortinet, FortiGate. So there is a Juniper. There is many things here. Here is the Fortinet, FortiGate, the firewalls. If you want to make a configuration with firewalls. So, but here like we can add a PC. So we click only on it. So the template is virtual PC, VPC. So we can save it here. So when we save it, we have one PC. We can also open another one, nodes. So we can go to click on the PC and to save it. And we have another PC. Now we can connect these two PCs. So we can connect it. So here is save. You see, now we connecting the two PCs is how you can do for all the others things inside the emulated virtual machine. So it was just to show you how you can use your emulated virtual environment and how to install it, how to configure it. Thank you for watching my video. So let's stop here today, and see you in the next videos that will come. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Thank you.